All right, boys, we're here doing the weekly. Yeah, can you guys shut up for a second?
Go ahead.
I'm doing my video. So what's up, people? What's up, Montgomery viewers? I'm here today for a weekly test, and I'm joined by these people.
Hola.
Hey, Buzzard Brito here.
Hi.
How you doing?
They're not here. They're not family visiting. All right, shut up. This is a YouTube video.
I'm family here.
This is the EAS family.
I regret joining this.
Alright, here we go. Counting down to 11:30.
It was mostly
Ah.
the temperature was 83 degrees.
Yo, can this like?
3,
The wind was very low at 7 miles an hour.
Oh my God, boys, they're testing.
Pressure was 30.0 inches and steady. At the new Castle County Airport in Wilmington.
Oh my God, boys, they're testing. Ah.
The temperature was Andover. It was sunny.
Not you, okay.
Mine's in an hour.
It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 81 at Sussex.
Activate. Go. The thing. Oh, all my radios are behind. Okay. The thing. My 100 actually works. Please. Go.
Okay, maybe 11:31.
About 11:32. Can that be can that work?
And
Yo, it says my radio still say 11:29. All right, this is bad. Sanjian's right. So, I mean the Sanjian's right. So like, bro, they test whenever they want. All right. Yo, I've been recording for it. Yo, I've been recording for 2 minutes already. Oh, by the way, I should probably inform you about this.
I've been recording
So,
for 30 minutes.
I don't care. So right here we have a dead ER310, and I'm charging it via solar light. That's not gonna work. I'll have to put it outside or something. I do have the charger, but I don't feel like using it. You're on KX28 because you don't know how to activate. Yeah, rhymes. I have the 382 on KX28 because it doesn't like to activate. On the next 39. I tried to rhyme that. I didn't do that good of a job. Alright, boys, let's go over my collection before I get a new radio. Oh, wait, shit. But before I get my 16th weather radio, I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet. It's Sanjian here, one of my 400s. It's a 382. No, there's no test yet. There's my V16. There's my V3, the 100. Now over here we have another 400, 74200, a Recom. Silver 120 here, Zone Guard, 519, Fat, EAR10, the V15HH, and the other 400 in there somewhere. Okay, I'm just gonna review my 16th radio. My 16th radio is a 12258. All right, boom, exposed. Now test. Ah!
Oh, here we go.
Well, only you. Now you. Oh, it went off! Yes! You activated, let's fucking go. Yeah, you just suck. I don't like you anymore. New V3 incoming. I'm kidding. You know what?
Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 8 a.m. and the weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary.
Ah, it's loud.
Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using
loud.
a quality.
Okay, that's a little loud.
Brooks, Bucks, Carmen, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Pike, and Schuylkill. And in New Jersey,
It was like a traffic light.
Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. This concludes the weekly Test of No Weather Radio. Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA weather radio all hazards. Station KIH 28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA weather radio all hazards.
Let's go, guys. My 380 doesn't have a dead tuner. Let's go. It doesn't have a dead decoder.
Here is the regional weather
Okay,
forecast.
who's loud?
For the Philadelphia metropolitan area, rest of today,
You.
sunny. Highs in the upper 8.
Turn off.
Make it 45.
Okay, stop.
Because just between 10 and 15 is not.
Ah, it was loud.